Lorex continues to create ultra-high quality IP-based cameras for all your security needs. The LNZ44P4 is a dome-style PTZ camera. PTZ stands for pan, tilt, and zoom. Like many Lorex cameras, this model is made of aerospace grade aluminum, designed to withstand a wide range of weather and temperature conditions. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors and is designed to be horizontally mounted on a ceiling or with the included mount S1W-A1G. Let's see how to install the camera on an exterior brick wall using the unique mounting hardware. The first step is to remove the outer dome cover in order to access the mounting holes inside. Using the supplied Torx wrench, loosen the 3 bolts securing the camera dome to the base. Remove the dome cover and carefully set aside. The interior of the camera housing may have a small desiccant anti-moisture package gently glued in place. Please remove and discard safely. Insert the small white silicone plug into the cable port, which is only used for cable surface mounting. Gently insert the camera cabling into the center recess on the mount. Make sure to insert the camera cables into the cable notch on the S1W-A1G mount. Now line up the 3 mounting holes of the camera chassis with the wall mount. Now insert the provided hex bolts into each chassis hole and thread the hex bolts into the pre-threaded holes in the wall mount. Use the provided Allen key. It's usually best to not tighten each bolt completely until all 3 hex bolts have been screwed into place. Once all 3 hex bolts have been tightened, you can now replace the dome cover. Gently place the cover over the camera chassis. Align the dome cover bolts with the pre-drilled threaded holes in the mount. Now thread and tighten all 3 Torx bolts in order to secure the dome cover to the wall mount. Remove the quick install wall plate by loosening the hex set screw. We're now ready to install the plate onto the exterior wall. A hole has been drilled in the exterior wall and the Ethernet cable with the secure locking mechanism has been threaded into the hole. Insert 2 or more supplied anchors into the wall and secure the quick install plate to the brick wall, making sure to first thread the cable through the large hole in the plate. Now connect the Ethernet cable from the camera to the extension cable socket. Once the Ethernet connection is made, simply slide and twist the secure locking mechanism. Gently push the bundle of cables into the mounting hood cavity and hook the camera mount onto the wall plate. Now retighten the set screw using the Allen key in order to make sure the camera is firmly attached to the mounting bracket. Once you have connected the other end of the Ethernet cable to the NVR, you can adjust the position of the camera using the NVR software. Navigate to the PTZ function on the menu and adjust framing using the left, right, and up and down arrows. This camera can also be programmed to have preset locations. And these presets can be used to create a tour. The LNZ44P4 4-megapixel sensor delivers remarkably crisp, clean images. The zoom function allows you to enlarge an image and reframe to suit specific needs. The camera can pan 355 degrees. At night, the LNZ44P4 operates in black and white mode and has great imaging once an exterior light has been turned on. The LNZ44P4 from Lorex provides great images with a build quality that will deliver surveillance for many years.